Oh no, this woman is going to die! Or is she? After all, someone is coming to save her. Could that be?
Captain Qwark!
Captain Qwark in me and my blaster.
But mostly me. Don't worry, citizen. I am always in the right spot when someone needs my help.
Where are other heroes when someone needs their help?
Ratchet, pull right. This is the place where the SOS signal was sent.
Don't know how you got here, but just grab my...
I knew you'd come to save me, You!
I'd say the same if there was no freaking lava ground. Get in my hand and let's leave.
But...
Oh, for the love of...
This is not how it was supposed to be. He was supposed to save me. Prove that he really is a hero. Or else, I was going to die with all my dreams and beliefs.
Life's full of disappointments, kid, and your mother's gonna be one of them when we get to her.
No! This is an omen!
Omen?
Yes! A sign from the greater Codemasters.
Jeez.
I was disappointed by someone I defined as my hero, but saved by someone I defined as my enemy. I was proven wrong. Now I can see how blind was I. In case you don't get it, I'm your new #1 greatest fan!
What?
Can I touch you?
I somehow survived the last few days, but that's wrong on so many levels I just can't take it.
Hello, Ratchet. Where have you been? You have missed 5 of my autograph sessions.
While I haven't missed any of them.
Who are you again? Ted? I know, you're Ted.
My name is Stuart! Stuart Zurgo! Don't you remember all these conventions? Fan arts? Fanfics?
What? Don't even mention it. I had nightmares after reading your work. Steve?
I am Stuart!
Take it easy, it's hard to memorize names of everyone. Hey look, Paul, Bob, Tommy and Pam from the Planetary Defense Center are throwing a party. Hugo, George, Buck and the second Tommy are there already. I don't know about you, but I am going there right now. Who's coming with me?
I am!
Oh, I forgot you're here. That kinda complicates everything. How about you guard this room? It's a very important task.
You told me the same thing last time.
Because I believe you can take this task.
You believe in me?
Why, of course I do, Steve. Not really, but we'll see how it turns out.
Normally I'd intervene, but I'm rather enjoying this.
Oh, you'll see. You will. Oh! I could not help but notice your sudden hatred for my friends. At least you're still with me. Ooh! Will we form a union to destroy them both? Oh, how about you prove them wrong? Nah, that only works in cartoons. I did not think about that. How old are you, Stuart? 17. Well, perhaps it is time to start thinking about your future. What are you good at, Stuart? Captain Qwark-related quizzes! Oh, well, have you ever had a love interest? Of course! Captain, next question. I actually know a certain film studio which needs a lighting director. Have you ever watched Secret Agent Clank? Well, I've been watching it lately, after I became your #1 fan. Oh, which was your favorite episode? The one with Captain Qwark in it! The one in which I was featured in a total 5% of the episode? Yes! The one that scored 1 out of 100 on Metabolt. They don't understand what true art means. Those great muscles make anything 10 out of 10 material. Oh dear. Perhaps it is time to start something new in your life. Not connected with Captain Qwark. You want me to be your accountant? No! I mean, you are talented young lad. You just need to find your own path in life. Start something that will be your own.
You're right. 2 out of 3 idols I had already failed me. This is another omen. I need to save the world from this madness. Myself. Don't worry, Master. You will soon be proud of me.
Oh, how nice it is to relax, knowing a little four-eyed monster won't disturb you.
Why are you so sure?
I know it, I just know it.
Soon, we will meet again. And then, there will be no escape from Surgeon Zurgo.